Good day, sir, madam. I'm Risley Montesa. I'm 40 years old. I have three kids. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, do you have been experience working abroad?
No, sir.
How about here in the Philippines?
Yes, sir. I have experience here in the Philippines
Okay, for how long?
for 5 years.
Okay, so what are your main duties here in employer's house?
My duty are cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, and teach the kids in school, teaching homework, feeding, watching, and reading book stories before going to bed.
Okay, so suppose your employer in Hong Kong have the children and they also go to school. Are you willing to take good care of the children of the employer?
I'm willing, sir.
Are you willing to send and fetch them to the school?
I'm willing, sir.
Okay, so what if your employer in Hong Kong have another domestic helper in the house? Are you also willing to share a room with another domestic helper?
I'm willing, sir.
Okay, so can you promise to return home not later than 8 p.m. during your day off?
I promise, sir.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Uh, to save money for my family future.
Okay, so what do you want to say to your prospect employer? Suppose they are watching you right now.
Hello, sir, madam. If you choose me, I try my best to be a good maid of yours. I promise to follow all your rules and regulation until I finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, sir, madam. Bye-bye.